Towards it.
I find it really well balanced. It's I'm not really a shotgun shooter, but I really liked the way it's handled. Really pleased with it, and I think, as everybody else would say, it's a brilliant gun. Really, there was many comments about it, that it might be too heavy, it might be a bit awkward, it looks out of space. Well, it's not.
Squat.
Another 3, Brendan.
Incomer,
Cross.
cross, and then the left.
Cool. Shooting.
It shoots well, handles well.
Yeah.
Can't believe the weight. It's very light for what they're thinking it's going to be.
Oh, nice shooting. And on camera.
That'd do. Somebody else have a go. Yeah, we're going to continue to have a display model, and they'll be allowed to come and take it out and shoot it at local shoots for a day, anytime they like. Yep.
Right, same again then, shoot, income. Oh.
Bit chippy, Mike.